In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss ETrade. We're going to walk through how to place a stop loss order on ETrade so you can manage risk on a stock you already own. A stop loss is designed to automatically sell your shares if the price falls to a level you set, helping you limit potential losses without watching the market every minute. First, log into your ETrade account. Once you're in, head to the trade section. This is where you enter orders. In the symbol field, type the ticker of the stock you own, something like AAPL or TSLA, just as examples. Make sure you've selected the correct stock you hold in your portfolio. Next, choose Sell as your action. Since a stop loss is about protecting an existing position, we're setting up a sell order that activates if the price drops. Now look for the price type menu. From that list, select Stop on Quote. This is the stop loss option on ETrade. Here's what that means. If the stock's quoted price reaches your stop level, your order will trigger and become a market sell order. Because it turns into a market order at that moment, the final fill price can be slightly different from your stop price, especially in fast-moving markets or at the open. That's normal behavior, but it's good to be aware of potential slippage. Enter your stop price. For example, if you bought at $100, you might set your stop at $90. Think of this as your line in the sand, the point where you decide to exit if the trade goes against you. Choose a level that aligns with your risk tolerance and the stock's usual volatility. Too tight and normal price swings could trigger it, too wide, and you may risk more than intended. Choose your quantity. You can select all shares if you want to protect the entire position, or enter a partial amount if you prefer to scale out and keep some exposure. Click Preview to review everything carefully. Double-check the symbol that you're selling. The price type is Stop on Quote. Your stop price is correct, and the quantity matches your plan. If anything doesn't look right, make adjustments before proceeding. When everything looks good, confirm Place Order. Your stop loss order is now active. If the share price reaches your stop, the order will trigger an attempt to sell your shares at the next available market price. Remember, a stop loss is a tool to help manage risk. It doesn't guarantee a specific exit price, but it does automate your plan and remove emotion from the decision.